Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping.
Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. If you're new, my name is Chaba. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. It's good to have you here. I'm so excited to be back. It's been forever. I haven't posted in a while, and I'm back with an updated hair tutorial. And this time my hair is shorter than 2 years ago, because that last video was from 2 years ago. I cut my hair in October of 2022, and around February, March of 2023 I decided I wanted to grow my hair back. And this is June of 2024, 22nd to be specific, and this is the length right now. This is where we are. Hopefully by the end of the year we'll have gone back to that length or even longer, fingers crossed. But yeah, so let's get right into it. I hope you guys enjoy.
Lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, her touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory.
Time high, anxiety is showing underneath my eyes. Watching as I let you take up all my time, just to do it over again. Drag me through the dirt, degrade me, mess things up, and always blame me. Smile politely while you tear me down. I don't wanna be a yes man, put a bluff and wanna shoot my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego, but I can never say no. Push and pull, now I think I'm getting seasick. Say what you mean and put your money where your mouth is. Giving the run around, thinking I'm gonna drown. Head above water, but I'm going down. You're so used to getting the things you want. Burn down your bridges, no matter the cost. Put on a poker face, trying to play the game like you're the king and I'm your pawn. Don't wanna be a yes let you use me got me so mad. Bury me alive like I'm a first class casualty, and I'm so close, but I can never say no. I can never say no. I can never say no. Don't wanna be a yes man. Bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry, cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. Don't wanna be a yes man. Bored of bluffing, wanna show my whole hand. Sick of saying sorry, cause I can't stand to lose myself to your ego. And I just want you to know that the way I let you use me got me so mad. Bury me alive like I'm a first class casualty, and I'm so close, but I can never say no.
Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrifying my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory.
We've come to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these few hairstyles, and I hope you guys try them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know which one is your favorite, which ones you're gonna try out.